Welcome to How to Cook with Cannabis. I'm Chef Barry, and I just want to go over briefly why you would want to take a course like this. So, cannabis is everywhere. With the introduction of CBD in all 50 states, you see cannabis in your local grocery store, you may see it in a gas station. But I want to go through some of the how to incorporate cannabis safely, what you're going to look for when you're securing your cannabis from different sources, and then how to go on to make that into a delicious treat or meal for you and your loved ones. So we're going to go through a lot of different things in this course so that you don't have to depend on just a random internet search that may or may not be accurate. So I'm Chef Linda Berry. I am a traveling cannabis chef educator. So I travel throughout the United States teaching different chefs how to incorporate cannabis into their food professionally. I also help put on events for up to 250 people incorporating cannabis. And then on a smaller scale, I work for the Cleveland School of Cannabis, and I am an educator teaching people how to incorporate cannabis safely into their meals, into their treats, or into their topicals that they're going to be using at home.